Ladies and gentlemen, cordial invite for the celebration of Silver Jubilee Year and Investiture Ceremony 2021-2022. From the stunning infrastructure, bewitching building, one such structure that carries the rich heritage and many tales from the past 25 years. Sri Venkateswara Matriculation Higher Secondary School is located in Attipet, Ambattur, Chennai, is an avant-garde for innovation. Was established by our founders, correspondent Sri Alagarsami Kannan and founder principal Dr. Srimati Uma Kannan. Established this educational institution to render quality education to the learning community. Mrs. Danya Bharati, an anthropologist, our alumna, a creative head of Sri Venkateswara Group of Schools, was the prime factor to initiate Atal Tinkering Lab. Our board members, Mrs. Kavya Kannamma, an oncologist in America, proud alumna of Sri Venkateswara Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Mr. Deepak Kumar, a nanotechnologist, is a trainer to build leadership traits among learners community. Trikant Silsani, an entrepreneur par excellence, owner of Vardhaman Group of Companies. The speciality of Sri Venkateswara Matriculation Higher Secondary is to host eminent guests. First on the line, His Excellency, the Honorable Governor of Tamil Nadu, Rosia, was accompanied by Veera Raghava Rao and Prabhakar Reddy, the collectors, for the alluring annual day celebration. Sri Irayanbu IAS was the first guest for the principal summit. IPS officer Mr. Sailendra Babu, the chief guest for our investiture ceremony, followed by the Prince of Arcad, Nawabzada Muhammad Asif Ali, the guest for our annual day celebration. Member of Parliament Srimati Kanimuri was the chief guest for the grandeur celebration of annual day. The trendsetter in South Indian and Malayalam film industry of 1990s and esteemed Indian actors and director Srimati Revati. Sri Jayaprakash Gandhi, the career guidance consultant, has consecutively addressed the learners of Sri Venkateswara Group of Schools. Sri Unnat Pandit, the head of Atal Innovation Mission, and Mr. Ponraj, the special advisor to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, was the guest to inaugurate our Atal Tinkering Lab. Dr. Srimati Shanta, the senior oncologist, was the chairperson of Adyar Institute, blessed our budding graduates of Upper Kindergarten. Life skill training is a part of our curriculum. Road safety patrol and Scouts and Guides movement of our school ensure that we build self-fulfilled individuals to play a constructive role in the society. Sri Venkateswara Matriculation High Secondary School was established in the year 1996 with 200 students and 5 teachers. Currently, we have 100 teachers and 2000 plus students. In the year 2011, Sri Venkateswara Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School was started with 89 students and 9 teachers. Currently, we have 71 teachers and 1450 plus students. In the year 2019, Sri Venkateswara Public School Pural was initiated with 70 students and 9 teachers. Currently, we have 17 teachers and 550 students.
It's more important to create a warm, memorable and friendly experience for a potential person. So, it's time for VIP call. I would like to invite our school band to welcome our distinguished chief guest. 25th year Silver Jubilee Investiture Ceremony. Now, our principal and academic coordinators are accompanying the dignitaries.
Light is a symbol of brightness and prosperity. As sunlight expels the darkness of night, similarly, blessings bring in our life prosperity and happiness. To make this morning a blessed one, we invoke God by kindling the lamp of knowledge and wisdom. I invite our founders, correspondent sir, founder principal ma'am, and our honorable chief guest to light the lamp.
One song can change a moment. One idea can change the world. One step can start a journey. But a prayer can change even the impossible. So let's all bow our heads, fold our arms, and close our eyes to praise our Almighty, to shower His blessings. Here, I would like to invite the Nightingales of Tulsi Garden to commence this investiture ceremony with an auspicious prayer song.
This is my prayer to Thee, my Lord. Strive at the root of penury in my heart. Bharata Samudayam, Bharata Samudayam, Bhargave. Jaya 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 Bharata Samudayam, Bharata Samudayam, Bharata Samudayam, Bhargave. Akash Ganga, Surya Chandra Tara, Sandhya Usha, Koina Nadi. తేనెల మాటలతో మన దేశ మార్గనే కొలుచుదమా. భావం భాగ్యం కూర్చుకుని ఇక జీవనయానం సేయుదమా. ఇక జీవనయానం సేయుదమా. ఇక జీవనయానం సేయుదమా. This is my prayer to Thee, my Lord. Strive at the root of penury in my heart.
Thank you, dears, for your gracious rendition, which makes us to feel the presence of God Almighty.
With immense pleasure, I call correspondent Mr. Alagasamy Kannan to unfurl the national flag, and I request our founder principal Dr. Srimati Uma Kannan to unfurl the school flag, followed by flag song.
Salute! Salute!
Order.
Salute! Salute!
Order.
பாரத தேவி மணிக்கொடி பாரி, பக்தியுடன் அதை வணங்குவோம் வாரி. பாரத தேவி மணிக்கொடி பாரி, பக்தியுடன் அதை வணங்குவோம் வாரி. பலவித நலங்களை குறித்திடும் பச்சை, பரிசுத்த தியாகத்தை காட்டிடும் வெண்மை. பலவித
of all things in life. I invite Monisha and Abhinaya to welcome the gathering.
Cordial invite for the celebration of Silver Jubilee Year and Investiture Ceremony of Sri Venkateshwara Matriculation Higher Secondary School 2021.
Welcome to Sri Venkateshwara Matriculation Higher Secondary School to the world of leaders. This celebration is clubbed with Sri Venkateshwara Nursery and Primary School. I would like to invite our Honorable Chief Guest, Anbal Mahesh Poyamuri, and a member of Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam Party. He is a friend of DMK Saiyan Udayanithi Stalin. Anbal Mahesh Poyamuri is an undeterred man clad in white and white with DMK flag. Colored shawl wrapped around his neck, walks down the narrow lines of middle class. He is currently serving as the Minister for School Education in Tamil Nadu.
The protagonist of SVM story and an architect of this knowledge empire, Mr. Alagar Kannan. We welcome you, sir.
The well-defined phenomenon was conferred with Doctorate of Letters by Tamil University, America. Recipient of special citation from the Governor of Maryland, America, a hearty welcome to our founder principal, Dr. Uma Kannan.
The pivotal factor for establishing Atal Tinkering Lab in our school, an anthropologist, the creative head of Sri Venkateshwara Groups of School, our CEO, Mrs. Danya Bharati. A cheerful welcome, ma'am. Additional invite to our trustee, Mr. Trikant Chalsani, an entrepreneur for excellence and an avid people enthusiast. A fabulous welcome, sir.
Next on the line, our principal, Mr. Venkatachalapati, Ramanujam of SVM, and an apt leader to guide everybody. And I also welcome Mrs. Geeta, our dynamic headmistress of Sri Venkateshwara Nursery and Primary School. A glad welcome to you.
I feel fortunate to welcome a duplex mentor, available 24/7, the perfect motivator for young minds. Our Vice Principal, Mrs. Sridev. A pleasant welcome, ma'am.
I would like to invite our versatile academic coordinators, empowered teachers, amiable non-teaching staffs, and a warm invite to AK Construction Team and Venkateshwara Press, modest students and supportive parents.
We welcome you all.
Dance isn't just dance, it's something magical that sets you free. As we all know, dance has no barriers. It's something that everyone can feel, everyone can understand, and definitely something everyone can enjoy. Let's watch the Swagatham dance performance by our SVM team.
Sapamagata kita tadi midirana. Sapamagata kita tadi midirana. Sa rigata bari, rigarini sa rigata bari. Sapamaga mama ga mama ga mama ga mama ga pagagari sanisa. Kari sanisa. Donde está mi ante? Say yeah yeah yeah. C'est comme ça, ma chérie, la 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 la. Caressa, 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 riva badani, babadisa.
performance which stimulates our spirits.
God has given us wisdom and knowledge. Here comes our school choir students to invoke God's divine presence through our leadership song.
பாரத நாட்டின் பெருமையும் வலிமையும் பாருலகறிய செய்திடுவோம் செய்திடுவோம்.
பாரத நாட்டின் பெருமையும் வலிமையும் பாருலகறிய செய்திடுவோம் செய்திடுவோம்.
வீரர்களாய் வீரமங்கையாய்
வீரர்களாய் வீரமங்கையாய்
எழுந்திடுவோம் ஒளிந்திடுவோம்.
எழுந்திடுவோம் ஒளிந்திடுவோம். வீரர்களாய் வீரமங்கையாய் எழுந்திடுவோம் ஒளிந்திடுவோம்.
பாரத நாட்டின் பெருமையும் வலிமையும் பாருலகறிய செய்திடுவோம் செய்திடுவோம்.
பாரத நாட்டின் பெருமையும் வலிமையும் பாருலகறிய செய்திடுவோம் செய்திடுவோம்.
ஒன்றே குலமும் ஒருவனே தேவனும் என்று கண்டதும் இந்நாடே.
ஒன்றே குலமும் ஒருவனே தேவனும் என்று கண்டதும் இந்நாடே.
யாதும் ஊரே யாவரும் கேளிர் என்று கொண்டதும் இந்நாடே.
யாதும் ஊரே யாவரும் கேளிர் என்று கொண்டதும் இந்நாடே.
வாழ்க பாரதம் வாழ்க பாரதம் வாழ்க பாரதம் வாழ்க வாழ்கவே வாழ்க வாழ்கவே வாழ்க வாழ்கவே. பாரத நாட்டின் பெருமையும் வலிமையும் பாருலகறிய செய்திடுவோம் செய்திடுவோம்.
If your action create a legacy that inspires others to read more, learn more, do more, and become more, then you are an excellent leader. Happy morning to all. I take this opportunity to welcome all the distinguished guests. Investiture means a formal investing of a person with authority, power, right, office, and dignity. It is rightly said that leaders are not born, they are made. Investiture ceremony is one of the most important ceremony of this school. Happiness radiates like the fragrance from a flower and draws all good things towards you. With a heart full of love and happiness, we would like to guide you with sweet loving words. Let us start leadership conversation on transformation leadership.
Great things are achieved through great leadership, and great leaders are created in the four walls of classroom. I am Asian Jessica Fourier. I am very much proud to welcome you all to this investiture ceremony of Sri Venkateshwara Nursery and Primary School, a Silver Jubilee school. My heart goes out to all of our students. Hey dear, a leader is a dealer in hope. What is student leadership? Student leadership means students take active roles to develop positive skills in the process. The goal of inspiring student leader is to create a culture of ownership, collaboration, and community in the classroom. How does Sri Venkateshwara Nursery and Primary School teach student leadership? Good leadership in our schools is a vital for improving the learning outcomes of students. Effective grade schools like Sri Venkateshwara Group of Schools foster good student leadership by developing top skills of students. A great leader's courage to do things comes from passion, not position. Yes, Sri Venkateshwara Group of Schools leads through teaching, learning, and producing great leaders. Congratulations to all elected leaders. Kindly remember, you are the ambassador of Sri Venkateshwara Nursery and Primary School. Come on, Shani, let's celebrate and honor our school leader
of leaders who nurtures other leaders. They are the great source of inspiration. Before you are a leader, success is all about growing yourself. When you become a leader, success is all about growing others. Leaders are not born. They are made in Sri Venkateshwara Nursery and Primary School. Now it is right time for the event. Every member is looking forward. Announcing the school badges and scrolls of honor were given to the new council members. On this glorious moment, in the presence of all gathered here, now it is time to examine your competence to be leaders to carry out the assignment entrusted to them.
Will you strive to constantly uphold the dignity and integrity of Sri Venkateshwara Nursery and Primary School?
Yes, I will definitely do my duty, ma'am.
Will you resiliently upgrade yourself as per the requirements of your office?
Undoubtedly, I will, ma'am.
I hereby pledge to render my cooperation in helping you in your new responsibilities. As a holder of delegated authority, as the headmistress of the school, I assign the position of school pupil leader and assistant school pupil leader of Sri Venkateshwara Nursery and Primary School upon you to hold and behold your powers. I wish you and your team of student leaders all the very best.
The Honorable Education Minister, His Excellency Mr. Ambil Mahesh Poyyamuri, showers his accolades on the newly elected SPL K. Avantika of Sri Venkateshwara Nursery and Primary School, followed by her oath. I, Avantika, of grade 5A, the valiant Venkateshwaran, hereby pledge to lead my fellow students with discipline and virtues that would uphold the honor of this noble institution, Sri Venkateshwara Nursery and Primary School. The tradition and ethos of this established foundation shall always be endorsed in all the endeavors that I venture into. I solemnly vow to discharge my duties as a school people leader without prejudice and preferences on par with unity and integrity. It's time for SPL to lead the other office bearers, followed by appointment of student councils. We, the elected leaders of the Student Council of SVNP, pledge to be conscious of our duties, to always preserve the dignity of our school, to be fearless in thought and action, to never bend down to injustice, to become passionate towards all. We hereby abide the rules that govern our institution. Yes, we do.
I now commission the Student Council of Sri Venkateshwara Nursery and Primary School for 2021-2022 to come alive with full vigor and thoughtful yet swift and benevolent operation to uphold the integrity of this institution.
The Honorable Education Minister, His Excellency Mr. Ambil Mahesh Poyyamuri, showers his accolades the newly elected ASPL V. Sanjay Krishna of Sri Venkateshwara Nursery and Primary School, followed by his oath. I, Sanjay Krishna V. from grade 4, the elected assistant school people leader of Sri Venkateshwara Nursery and Primary School, pledge to work with determination and perseverance for our school and students' development. I shall inspire my fellow mates to be oriented, respectful, reliable, and obedient in every aspect of life. I shall lead with compassion, a focus on team building that fosters innovative solutions with social perspectives. May I take the privilege to call upon our beloved founder principal of Sri Venkateshwara Group of Schools, Dr. Srimati Uma Kannan, to honor the sports head boy Nitish and sports head girl Tarika by pinning up the badges.
I, Nitish, the elected sports head boy of Sri Venkateshwara Nursery and Primary School, hereby pledge to uphold the sporting discipline of every venture of the student community. Team effort shall be integrated in all the activities.
I'm Tarika J from grade 5A, the elected sports head girl of Sri Venkateshwara Nursery and Primary School. Shall strive for representation and perfection in all the student endeavors. Working as a team, we students shall focus on bringing laurels for our institution.
May I take the privilege to call upon our beloved headmisters of Sri Venkateshwara Nursery and Primary School, Mrs. R.S. Geeta, to honor the Assembly Head Boy K. Dinesh and Assembly Head Girl R. Rida Fatima by pinning up the badges.
I, Dinesh, solemnly affirm that I will faithfully discharge the functions of Assembly Head Boy. I will definitely work to enthusiasm to reach the holistic and realistic goals for the development of SVMP students. I, Rida Fatima, grade 4A, solemnly affirm that I will faithfully discharge the functions of Assembly Head Girl. I will definitely work with enthusiasm to reach the holistic and realistic goals for the development of SVNP students.
May I take the privilege to call upon Mr. P.E.R. Premchand, Secretary of Bharat Scouts and Guides, Ambattur District, to honor the Cubs head boy Giridharan S. by pinning up the badge. May I take the privilege to call upon Mrs. Jyoti Lakshmi, District Training Commissioner of Bharat Scouts and Guides, Ambattur District, to honor the Bulbul head girl Janatul Firdaus by pinning up the badge. May I take the privilege to call upon our primary ACO of Sri Venkateshwara Nursery and Primary School, Mrs. Jayanti, to honor the cultural head boy Syed Muhammad Ali and cultural head girl Sai Kavya by pinning up the badges. May I take the privilege to call upon our beloved KG ACO, Mrs. Aparna Titus of Sri Venkateshwara Nursery and Primary School, to honor the Techie Smart Head Boy Sachin and Techie Smart Head Girl Dia by pinning up the badges. May I take the privilege to call upon our beloved founder principal of Sri Venkateshwara Group of Schools, Dr. Srimati Uma Kannan, to honor the Captain Homashankara, Vice Captain Ashwin and House Mistress Mrs. Pushpa Ma'am of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam House by wearing up the sash.
May I take the privilege to call upon our respected founder principal, Dr. Srimati Uma Kannan, to honor the House Captain Ritika and Vice Captain Mithun Chakravarti, House Mistress Mrs. Rekha of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru House by wearing the sash.
Privilege to call upon our respected primary HO. May I take the to honor the House Captain Batmini, Vice Captain Ritisha and House Mistress Mrs. Adira Ma'am of Mahakavi Bharatiya House by wearing the sash. I call upon our KGSO Mrs. Aparna Titus to honor the Captain Sanjana Pradeep, Vice Captain Harshit and House Mistress Mrs. Amuda Valliman of Dr. Radhakrishnan House by wearing the sash.
I, Mrs. Jayanti, Academic Coordinator of Primary Compartment, proud to announce my level leaders for the academic year 2021-22. For Grade 1A, Shilfan Joseph A has Class Prefect, Aradhara K.A. has Assistant Class Prefect. Grade 1B, Karnika A.S. has Class Prefect, Narmada M. has Assistant Class Prefect. Grade 1C, Alisha Ajis has Class Prefect, Samrita H. has Assistant Class Prefect. Grade 2A, Shanvita L. has Class Prefect, Samantha S. has Assistant Class Prefect. Grade 2B, Tashwin M. has Class Prefect, Sai Siddharth S. has Assistant Class Prefect. Grade 2C, Nadisha A.M. has Class Prefect, Venisha M. has Assistant Class Prefect. Grade 3A, Hanish S. has Class Prefect, Hasini P.S. has Assistant Class Prefect. Grade 3B, Lokshita D. has Class Prefect, Samrit S. has Assistant Class Prefect. Grade 3C, Hasana J. has Class Prefect, Giri B. has Assistant Class Prefect. Grade 4A, Srivarshan M. has Class Prefect, Shiny Jessica A. has Assistant Class Prefect. Grade 4B, Darun S. has Class Prefect, Batmapriya N. has Assistant Class Prefect. Grade 4C, Kirti Ranjana R. has Class Prefect, Kishore R. has Assistant Class Prefect. Grade 5A, Sonika S. has Class Prefect, Nitish M. has Assistant Class Prefect. Grade 5B, Sri Ritik B. has Class Prefect, Priyadashini G. has Assistant Class Prefect. Grade 5C, Kanisha V. has Class Prefect, Ilakyan S. has Assistant Class Prefect.
This is Aparna, the Academic Coordinator of KG Compartment, proud to announce my level compartment leaders for the academic year 2021-22. LKG-A Class Prefect, Navya Sai CJ. Assistant Class Prefect, Shakti Ramcharan. LKG-B Class Prefect, Limashri S. Assistant Class Prefect, Sheshant B. UKG-A Class Prefect, Shakti Padmashri. Assistant Class Prefect, Jianth Roshan G. UKGB Class Prefect, Danvika B. Assistant Class Prefect, Navindran SM. UKGC Class Prefect, Vedasri A. Assistant Class Prefect, Nakshatra A.
Dance makes a gentle love that radiates between God and human. Dance makes feet move with beat and it brings smile to every face around us. We have here our dancers with blissful mood to make your day special.
धन तता धन तणु तता दिमि तकि तत तक तक झुम गिरदग दा तरि धन धन तणु झुनु तदिमि तक तक झुम गिरदग दा तरि तता धन तता झुनु तता दिमि तता झुम ततणम तकदिम ततरि तदन तदन तझुनु तदिमि ता तदिगण तुम गिरदग गिरदग दा तरिगदिम ता तरिगदिम ता तरिगदिम तरिगदिम ता तरिगदिम ता तरिगदिम ता तरिगदिम तरिगदिम तदिम तक ता तरिगदिम ता तरिगदिम ता तरिगदिम तरिगदिम ता
Leadership is not a position. Leadership is the action. Leadership is the decision. Leadership is a choice. Leadership is not about a title or designation. It's about impact, influence and inspiration. Here comes our students to perform mime on leadership. our beloved headmistress, Mrs. R.S. Geeta, to render her address.
The purpose of education is to create good human beings with expertise and skills. Great leaders are not born, they are made. Today is a remarkable day in the calendar of Sri Venkateshwar Nursery and Primary School as it observes 25th year investiture ceremony. I take the privilege to thank the Chief Guest of the day, the Honorable Education Minister, Mr. Anbil Mahesh Poyamuri, on showering his blessings on our children. I express my deepest gratitude to the management, the chairman and correspondent of the institution, Mr. Aragasamy Kannan, the founder principal, Mrs. Srimati Dr. Uma Kannan, and the CEO of the institution, Mrs. Danya Bharati, on being a guiding stars in all our endeavors. I share my apologies to all the leaders of today as you stand as a role model to other children. My dear leaders, as an headmistress of this institution, I want to offer you 4 magic wands. I hope This magic wands will help you to live leadership every day. Number 1, don't follow the crowd. Be unique. If you are in the right direction, the crowd will follow you. Number 2, never give up. Today it may be difficult. Tomorrow it may be worse. Definitely believe me, day after tomorrow, there will be sunshine. Number 3, learn from mistakes, embrace mistakes, adapt and learn and change. Number 4, equip yourself with confidence. Equip yourself with stuff. My dear leaders, apart from this, we have great mentors in our institution. Learn the quality of calm and composed but a keen observation from our chairman and correspondent. How to become a passionate leader. Learn this quality from our founder principal. Innovation and action from our CEO. My dear leaders, today is your day. The school has given a wonderful opportunity to exhibit your leadership skill. Soar high like an eagle. Accept criticism, but ignore negativity. Let your dreams take flight. Make the school flag fly higher. Best wishes. God bless.
It's time for the swearing-in ceremony of Sri Venkateswara Matriculation Higher Secondary School, the newly formed Senate of the year 2021-2022 will commence now.
I feel proud to welcome our venerable founder principal to flag off investiture ceremony.
Do you pledge to the bearers of our school vision with unfaltering courage and wisdom?
I, Yashwant Kumar.
I, Jayashree, promise to preach, pledge and practice progressive learning and travel with knowledge as my path with extend positive change wherever I go.
By virtue of power vesting in me as the founder principal of the school, I appoint you as the prefect and assistant school prefect of Sri Venkateswara Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Ambattur.
Now I request our Honorable Education Minister, Sri Anbil Magesh Poyyamoli, to bestow the badge to School People Leader, Master Yashwant of Grade 11, followed by his oath.
I, Yashwant, the SPL of Sri Venkateswara Matriculation Higher Secondary School, swear to devote my time and energy to every possibility of advanced learning and thereby build a foundation of trust and endless learning as the head of student community.
I request our Honorable Education Minister, Sri Anbil Magesh Poyyamoli, to bestow the badge to ASPL Selvi Jayashree of Grade 9, followed by her oath.
I, Jayashree of Grade 9A, the ASPL will definitely work with determination and perseverance of our school and in students' growth. I will motivate my fellow mates to be respectful, reliable and obedient in all walks of life.
Next, I would like to welcome our SPL to lead other office bearers for the solemn oath.
Do you want to bear true allegiance to the school flag, motto and vision with complete integrity?
We, the elected leaders of the Students' Council, solemnly affirm that we shall faithfully and wholeheartedly execute our responsibilities in accordance with the expectation and satisfaction of the students electoral, the management and faculty members of Sri Venkateswara Group of Schools. We shall discharge our duties with earnest obedience, upholding the integrity and decorum of our eminent institution.
I, the principal, now appoint the Senate leaders as the office bearers of Sri Venkateswara Matriculation Higher Secondary School and urge them to discharge their duties to their fullest capacities.
It's my pleasure to give my hearty welcome to our beloved founder principal to bestow the badge to sports head boy Master Guru Prashant of Grade 11, followed by his oath.
I, Guru Prasan of Standard 11C, the sports head boy, promise to serve my fellow students and school authorities sincerely. I will endeavor to be a perfect role model of discipline and fitness.
A living epitome for intellectual leadership. I feel proud to call upon a correspondent to bestow the badge for sports head girl Selvi Girija of grade 11, followed by her oath.
I, Girija of grade 11F, sports head girl, promise to serve my fellow students and school authorities sincerely. I will endeavor to be a perfect role model of discipline and fitness.
Here I gracefully welcome our founder principal to bestow the badge to assembly head boy, Master Ranjit Kumar of grade 9, followed by his oath.
I, Ranjit Kumar of grade 9, the assembly head boy. Oh, to carry on with diligence and updated knowledge to lead the virtual and physical assembly in a more effective way, bringing out the inner potentials of the students' forum.
Let me invite our founder principal, people's leader, to bestow the badge for assembly head girl Selvi Monica of grade 11, followed by her oath.
I, Monica of grade 11B, assembly head girl, O, to carry on with diligence and updated knowledge to lead the virtual and physical assembly in a more effective way, bringing out the inner potentials of the students' forum.
Here we have Master Bharat Kumar of grade 11. The house captain of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is receiving the badge from the hands of principal.
Here is Master Sai Kumaran of grade 11, the house captain of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, is receiving the badge from our principal, a man of vision.
Here is Selvi Sadhana of grade 11. The house captain of Dr. Subramania Bharati is receiving the badge from the hands of vice principal.
Here we have Selvi Kavya of grade 11, the house captain of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, is receiving the badge from our vice principal, a friendly companion.
Here is Master Muhammad Tamimul Ansari of grade 11. The cultural head boy is receiving the badge from the hands of Higher Secondary Arts Academic Coordinator.
It's time for Selvi Ashmita Kannan of grade 8, the cultural head girl, to receive the badge from our innovative mentor, academic coordinator of Higher Secondary Arts Wing.
Here is Master Yuga Vignesh of grade 11. The digital head boy is receiving the badge from the hands of High School Coordinator.
Here we have Selvi Dhanashri of grade 11, the digital head girl, is receiving the badge from our Infosys Inspirer, academic coordinator of high school.
Here we have Master Avinash of grade 8. The head boy of Fine Arts is receiving the badge from the hands of our PET master.
Here is Selvi Priscilla Celesti of grade 8, the Fine Arts head girl, is receiving the badge from our physical education teacher who represented International 17 Australian Masters Games in hockey.
Here is Master Sridhar of grade 11, the Scout head boy, to receive the badge from the hands of Dr. Premchand, Secretary of Scout Ambattur District.
It's time for Selvi Yamini of grade 10, guide head girl, is receiving the badge from Mrs. Jyoti Lakshmi, District Training Commissioner, Guide Wing.
Leadership is not a position or a title. It is an action and example. I, the Vice Principal of Sri Venkateshwara Matriculation Higher Secondary School, proudly present the leaders of Middle Wing. Class Leader 6A, Anand Krish Besalal. Assistant Class Leader Lakshita. class leader of 6B, Dev, and assistant class leader Adilakshmi. 6C class leader Sachin, assistant class leader Kamini. 7A class leader Sakal Mussak, assistant class leader Vinita Shri. 7B class leader Bharati Kannan, assistant class leader Sanuja Shri. 7C class leader Pavitran, assistant class leader Shweta. The class leader of 8A Tarun K, assistant class leader Devika Nair. 8B class leader Pavya Preeti, assistant class leader Vijay Adi. Class leader of 8C Divya Darshi, assistant class leader Pradeep.
I, Mrs. Verina Jayaselvi, Academic Coordinator of High School, delighted to announce the class leaders and assistant leaders of Sri Venkateshwara Metric Higher Secondary School for academic year 2021-2022. 9A, class leader K. Arumika, assistant leader E. Meghavarshini. 9B, class leader T. Priyanka, R. Kaushika. 9C, class leader S. Karishma, assistant leader F. Abhinaya. 10A, class leader S. Mohammad Mahati, assistant leader A. Indumati. 10B, class leader V. Kavyashri, assistant leader H. Rafika. 10C, class leader R. Uma, assistant leader V. Ajay Kumar.
I, Mrs. Regina, ACO of Higher Secondary Wing, is delighted to announce the class leaders and assistant leaders of Sri Venkateshwara Matriculation Higher Secondary School for the academic year 2021-22. 11A, class leader is Vinay Kishore and assistant leader is Nandini. 11B, Divya, class leader, Samnath, assistant leader. 11C, Vinita, class leader, Sridhar, assistant leader. 11E, M. Rohit, class leader. Sujata, assistant leader. 11F, class leader Madhumita and assistant leader is Mridula Mohan. 12A, Lokeshwaran is the class leader. Shakti Kumar is the assistant leader. 12A, Harini is the class leader. Dinesh is the assistant leader. 12B, Kritika is the class leader. Srivalsan is the assistant class leader. 12C, Smirna is the class leader. Abhishek is the assistant class leader. 12E, Monisha is the class leader. Avinash is the assistant class leader. 12F, Sandhya is the class leader. Bhumika is the assistant class leader.
It's time to call a SVM choir to present the figurehead melody. Thank you, Koyer. Fashion has always been repetition of ideas, but what makes it new is the way you put it together. Every day is a fashion show, and the world is your runaway. So, audience, let's witness the dazzlers exhibiting the most alluring ethnic outfits. Let me invite the Leading Lights pageant to stage the show.
A leader must possess the qualities of both genders. It should have the qualities of men like courage, straightforward, power, decision making, strong willpower, and also the qualities of women like inspiration, community driven, diverse, balanced, and inclusive. Presence of all these qualities makes the leader perfect in their task. They should understand the psychology of both genders. A leader should pass with both genders.
Here we have the very important trait where a leader should possess: multitasking. A leader must be a multitasker who involves in decisiveness, integrity, problem solving, dependability, efficient communication, visionary outlook, which makes him a multidimensional performer who acts smart.
Justice should have the quality of righteousness or moral rightness. William Shakespeare, in his poem All the World's a Stage, he rightly defined the role of justice. Justice shouldn't believe the gossip, and he should impart in his verdict. Justice is found with God. That is, he should give a fair judgment to the people. Every justice should have the qualities of compassion, empathy, reputation, dignity, patience, moral courage, high ethics, courtesy, willingness, and superior interpersonal skill.
Hit the target straight like an arrow. They move or appear to move swiftly and directly in order to focus on. Thereby, a leader should acquire technology experts, gadgets, time management, good orator, constructing innovative concepts, decision making, caretaker, record maintainer with various moments.
Emotion is the subjective state of mind. One should control one's emotions. He or she should not rule by emotions. Emotions can be positive or negative. Negative emotions can be described as feeling which causes miserable and sad. 21st century leaders must shed the negative emotions like fear, anger, procrastination, pride, and envy.
A pacifier of a complex system of interconnected elements. Here comes the inheritance of leadership by staying connected with all leadership skills to update themselves in the availability of social media for a global reach, data analytics, communication, Instagramming, technical writing, digital literacy, and quick learning should be the leader's innate potentials. Good leadership is the cornerstone of any successful work. If you are looking for some, here we have. Led by example. Improve skills constantly. Proofread Be optimistic and positive. Blame others for mistakes. Ignore your team's feelings. Talk more than you listen. Be afraid to make mistakes.
Our school is eminent in the society. It is because of achieving the following milestones, rightly called as the 7th milestone of the Venkateshwara Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Number 1, we have well-equipped adult tinkering lab stood the best in Tiruvallur district. Number 2, having international women trainer in hockey. Number 3, possessing national level student achiever in hockey and athletics. Number 4, given active participation in international conference in Malaysia by our teaching fraternities. Number 5, a cultural Girl Top winner among many schools. Number 6, achieving state rank holders in 10th standard exam and also placing Santam results. Number 7, conducting Go Green Environment Ceremony.
Sri Venkateshwara Matriculation Higher Secondary School is successful only because of shedding its negative emotions in its journey by achieving its milestones like no fear, no anger, no procrastination, no pride, no envy. It's only because of these inadvertent of negative we Venkateshwarans stepping into the 25th Silver Jubilee celebration.
That was a wonderful thematic representation of leadership traits.
I deem it a pleasure to call upon our founder principal ma'am to felicitate our honorable chief guest, the Minister for Education Tamil Nadu, Anbil Mahesh Poyamuri, with a bouquet. We have our school principal, Mr. Venkatachalapati, to do the honors for our chief guest, Anbil Mahesh Poyamuri, with a shawl.
A phenomenal rise from the role of a teacher to an entrepreneur. A visionary par excellence. The keynote speaker at the World Conference of Educational Leaders held at University of London. Amidst greater loud of applause, I deem it a pleasure to invite our founder principal, Dr. Uma Kannan, to address this gathering.
Good day to all. August, the month of dual celebrations at Sri Venkateshwara Group of Schools. Foremost, let me utilize the moment to thank each and every soul that strive hard to make this country stand proud on her own, the community of sovereign nation. As the future pillars of this country, Venkateshwara have their own individual and unique way of leadership that complement the nationalistic spirit of an Indian. I am glad that this pandemic did not deter that spirit in our young leaders. They have willfully stepped up and now ready to don the mantle of leadership. As the founder principal of Sri Venkateshwara Group of Schools, I am proud that this investiture ceremony of Sri Venkateshwara Nursery and Primary School and Sri Venkateshwara Matriculation School marks a symbolic occasion in the 25th year, the Silver Jubilee celebrations. My dear leaders, you have a golden opportunity to hand. Luckily, you are experiencing the evolution that the world is undergoing now. So, equipping yourself will be a natural adaptation for survival in the future. Maze of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Every Venkateshwaran shall script a success story, one that shall be etched with a self-attested morality bound with organic values. True to our school anthem, let's learn with life and learn for life.
Now it's time to welcome our principal, Mr. Venkatachalapati, to bless our leaders for the future proceedings.
Happy morning to everybody. Let me congratulate the newly elected school leaders 2021-22. Before going in for addressing the leaders' Senate, I take immense pleasure to thank our chief guest, Honorable Sri Anbil Mahesh Poyyamazhi, the Education Minister of Tamil Nadu, for badging the young budding leaders of our school. Thank you, sir. Dear leaders, remember one thing. You have been rightly elected by your schoolmates. Even before you were vested with responsibilities, your fellow classmates vested their trust in you. It's your turn to carry forward the legacy of this prestigious institution. Think beyond classroom, what to do, where it starts. It all starts from your home. Giving respect to parents, elders at home, and teachers at school should be your first priority. Involve in all school activities. In this pandemic period, follow the SOP guidelines. Be a role model for your friends. Once again, congratulations for newly elected school council members. Thank you one and all.
Here, I would like to invite A. Divya of grade 11B to deliver the vote of thanks.
I am Divya, here to propose the vote of thanks. I take this golden opportunity to thank our Honorable Chief Guest for attending this ceremony in his busy schedule and giving his active participation. I extend my warm gratitude to a corresponding sir who is the greatest analyst, and our zestful founder principal ma'am, not only for spending their time with us but also for encouraging us to achieve many endeavors. My sincere thanks to our creative CEO ma'am and our trustee Mr. Trikanchal Sani for their valuable inputs behind this ceremony. I would like to thank our brainy principal sir and intelligent vice principal ma'am for the diligent encouragement. My humble gratitude to the headmistress of Sri Venkateshwara Nursery and Primary School, Mrs. Geeta. My heartfelt thanks to all the teachers who have transformed themselves as IT, technical engineers engineering this event. Special mention to AK Construction and Venkateshwara Press. I take this wonderful opportunity to add on my gratitude to all the trainers who trained us to lead the team. Last but not least, I thank all the supportive parents and students for enthusiastically participating in this ceremony. Without you, this would not be a great success. Once again, thank you one and all. Every beginning has an ending. Let us all raise up for school anthem.